Hello. Today we are going to talk about the doctrine of basic structure, definition and origins. The basic structure doctrine holds that a constitution has certain fundamental features that cannot be altered or destroyed by amendments. It was first proposed by Justice J.R. Mudholkar in 1964 in the case of Sajjan Singh vs. State of Rajasthan. The doctrine was formally established by the Supreme Court of India in the landmark case of Keshavananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala in 1973. The doctrine of basic structure is a legal principle in Indian constitutional law which asserts that certain fundamental features of the constitution cannot be altered or destroyed through amendments by the parliament. This doctrine was formally established in the landmark case of Keshavananda Bharati vs. State of Kerala in 1973, where the Supreme Court ruled that the Parliament's power to amend the constitution is limited by the need to preserve its basic structure. Key features. Some of the basic features of a constitution that have been recognized as part of the basic structure include fundamental rights guaranteed to individuals, rule of law, separation of powers, independence of the judiciary, democracy and federalism, sovereignty of the country, legal significance. The doctrine gives the Supreme Court the power to review and strike down constitutional amendments that violate the basic structure. It prevents the legislature from unilaterally altering core constitutional principles. The basic features have not been explicitly defined by the judiciary. The court determines them on a case-by-case basis.